So for this Ixl, you're going to be looking at area and then surface area. So surface area is the total area of the entire 3D figure. So if you're looking at a cube and you know that a cube, like a square, has the same sides, area equals side to the second power. Here it says that 7 is the length of one side, so we want to do area equals 7 to the second power. So the area of one side of this cube is 7 to the second power, or 49. So the area of one side of the cube is 49. But what I've done here is I've shown you I've drawn a net to show that there are actually 6 sides or 6 faces to a cube. So to get my total surface area, I have to do 49 times 6. And that is 294. So the surface area of this cube is 294 square millimeters. So this is an example from your slideshow of surface area of a rectangular prism. You want to look at the front and the back of the, like, pretend it's like a shoebox. So there's the front, and then there's the back. Then you have the top, which are red. So we have our top and our bottom, and we have our sides. So basically you're finding the area of the front, and then of course the back's the same. The top, then the bottom's the same, and then one side, then the other side's the same. And add it up to find the total surface area. So here's one from the Ixl. What is the surface area? Now remember, when you're doing the Ixl, you're probably going to have to write some of this out. You can draw a net. You can use a calculator, but you won't just know it probably right away in your head. So I labeled it already with the front and back. So I have the front is 12 times 6. So see, this is the front that I'm crossing out right here. 12 times 6, and then of course the back would be the same. So it's 72 for the front, and since the back is the same, I do 72 times 2, and I get 144. Then I have the top, which is 15 times 6, and then the bottom, which is also the same dimensions. So 15 times 6 is 90, times 2 is 180. Last, I have my sides. So see, I'm kind of crossing those out. The sides are 15 by 12. So I do 15 times 12, and whatever answer that is, I multiply by 2. So 180 times 2, which is 360. So to find the total surface area, I have to add the 144 from the front and back, the 180 from the top and bottom, and the 360 from the sides. And I get 684 square millimeters.